Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on alert Gmail notification on iPhone.
But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description.
So now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to turn on alert Gmail notification on your iPhone. So we're going to start by opening up your Gmail app. So once you open up your Gmail app, you're going to get on this main screen right here. So make sure that you look on the upper left hand corner where you're going to see like the three lines or the menu. As you guys can see there, I'm tapping that, the three lines right there. Make sure that you tap on that. When you tap on that, you're gonna get you like right here on this page. I mean like on this screen right here. And make sure that you scroll down a little bit. Scroll down until you see settings. And make sure that you tap on settings. As you guys can see, I'm tapping on settings right there. So make sure that you tap on settings. Then you're gonna get you on this settings screen. Since, for example, I have like 2 or more accounts, then that's why it showed me like both of my account. But if you have one, it's just gonna show your account. And make sure that you select the right account that you want to turn on alert notification on your iPhone. So I'm selecting the one that I want to turn on the alert notifications. So once you're on this like settings right here, this page, this screen, so make sure that you scroll down until you see the notifications. Scroll down, and you guys see notification right there. So make sure that you tap on notifications. When you tap on notification, you're gonna give you on this notification page right here, and make sure that you tap on Prime only right there when you click primary only, and that's how you turn on alert notification on your Gmail. And if you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. As I said earlier, it will be a way for you to save some money, so I highly recommend for you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.